Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our third video as part of our series of video of the playlist Tally's module of order management. In the couple of video previously, we understood the fundamentals. We also understood the relevance of purchase order and sale order for an organization. And in the second video, we understood the components of purchase cycle or procurement to payment. The other cycle we saw was sales cycle, which is again called as order to cash cycle. Starting this video, we will now go into Tally and learn how are we going to enable purchase order and sale order. And we will start with the first use case scenario of a small or micro organization where they can use the order management effectively by with only two components of the purchase cycle and sales cycle, that is purchase order, purchase, sale order, sales. Let us go to Tally and explore the option of simple order management for a smaller organization. I have already created a company called order management. Let us see how we enable order management module in TallyPrime. We learned that order management has two sections, purchase order management and sales order management. For your company, you can enable either purchase order independently or sales order independently, as well as both purchase order and sale order feature you can enable simultaneously. As you are aware, all features are enabled via F11 feature option up to Tally ERP 9. In TallyPrime, the features enablement is in three different places. Majority of the features are available under F11 in TallyPrime. So this is the basic feature. Again, when you say show more feature, additional features will be displayed. Show all feature will provide other features. Couple of features such as multi-currency and budgeting are enabled during master creation. For example, when you go to master create, you will see currency, which is the multi-currency. When you click on show more, you will have budget scenario. These features are enabled through the master creation screen. Order management is enabled through voucher types associated with it, purchase order and sale order. First, let us enable the purchase order. From the gateway of Tally, select vouchers and on the right hand side button bar, click on other voucher F10. We are not able to view the purchase order and sale order. Come here and click on show inactive. Now you will have order voucher section under which you have purchase order and sale order. Now let us select purchase order and we will get this message asking if we want to activate this voucher type. Just press enter to activate and you will notice that now purchase order voucher type is enabled. One important configuration you will need to do is to ensure that the receipt note and delivery note voucher types are not enabled. Normally by default, these voucher types are not enabled, but in certain cases, you will notice that the receipt note and delivery note gets enabled by default. Let us quickly check whether the receipt note and delivery note are being enabled here. In our next video, I will explain the relevance of this action. To check or disable, click on go to, select alter master, select voucher type and under voucher type select delivery note and make sure activate this voucher type is set to no. So in my case it is already set to no. I don't have to do any changes. Just accept this, Control A. Let us go to receipt note and check again. You will notice activate this voucher type is again set to no. So no action is required. In your case, if both these voucher types are set to yes, just make it as no and save the voucher type. Escape and come back to the purchase order voucher. Let us pass one purchase order. This is the transaction that we will capture. You see on the screen here on 1st of April, company raised a purchase order on Computer World for the following items, and the order number they are tracking is PO001CW. All materials they want to be delivered by 10th of April. Now I have already created this masters, as all of you are aware of master creations. So let the date of the purchase order be 1st of April 26. Enter. In the party account, select Computer World. Order number. This is the key to track your orders to purchase. By default, Tally will take the voucher number as the order number, and you can change it as per your requirement. In our case, we are changing it to PO001/CWS Computer World. Enter. Select purchases. If you notice, the interface of purchase order is almost like the purchase invoice that we have been capturing. So here, select spacebar, select the first item, Lenovo IdeaPad Core 5, enter. Now under the subscreen, in the due date field, all you have to do is just press 10 APR. 10th April is what you are expecting this material to be delivered. Quantity, put 5 numbers. Rate, enter it as 45,000. Amount will get captured and enter. Subsequently, you can capture the other details like the way I showed now. I have captured the details of other items. All you have to do now is save this voucher, Control A. Now on 10th April, the vendor has supplied the goods. So let us now make a purchase invoice. Change the voucher type to purchase. Click on purchase F9. The date is 10th of April. Supplier invoice number is 457. Date will be 10 April. Party Computer World. Now once you select Party Master, we need the supplier details subscreen to open up. If it is not opening, in my case you will notice that after I select the party ledger, it goes to the next field. So all you have to do is just press F12 and set these options. The first option, provide supplier detail, provide receipt note order detail, and provide order detail. These three options make it as yes and save it, Control A. And now when you come back here, you will get this detail. Click on the orders. You will get the list of all pending orders for that particular vendor. So select the purchase order. We have only one order. You can save this, Control A, accept the screen also. The advantage of selecting the order in the subscreen is that all the data points captured in the purchase order will be auto populated in the purchase invoice. Independently, you need not have to again select the item. There could be two scenarios here. Scenario A, we would have received all the items as per the order. In such a case, all you have to do is press Ctrl A to accept the purchase voucher, which means there are no pending orders for you. Scenario B, the vendor may have supplied one or more items in a lesser quantity than the ordered quantity. Let us take the case of Lenovo. Say the vendor has supplied only 4 numbers against the ordered quantity of 5 numbers, which is displayed here. How do we now account? Enter. Notice that the order number we selected in the subscreen is automatically captured here. Enter. And now change the quantity to 4. Enter. End of list. So the rest of the items are as per the order. Save it by pressing Ctrl A. How do we view pending orders? First, let us access the report through menu path. So come back to Gateway of Tally, click on Display More Report, then select Statements of Inventory, and now you will see Purchase Order Outstanding. Click on Purchase Order Outstanding. Since we have only one order, we can select all orders. Later on, we will discuss about the other options. Notice that out of 5 numbers ordered of this item, 4 is delivered and balance quantity 1 is still pending. Just press Shift Enter to view the order and the purchase detail. 1st of April, purchase order was raised for 5 numbers. 10th of April, via purchase, 4 numbers have been received. So the balance is 1 number. Let us now pass sales cycle vouchers. The process is a replica of the purchase order that we saw now. Enabling sales order voucher, again we go to vouchers, click on other vouchers, click show inactive, and now select sales order. Accept, the sale order voucher is ready. Again, notice the interface is exactly like the purchase order that we have entered. The table below displays the details of the sale order raised by the company. On 11th April, the company received an order for the following goods from IT Infotech Private Limited and raised a sales order with number SO/001, and these are the items. So let me quickly pass this entry. I have captured the sale order. Again, the order number is SO001. The due date column, you have to make sure that you are entering as 15th of April and save this voucher type. Now let us make a sale entry. Change the voucher type, sales, date is 15th of April, party name IT Infotech Private Limited. Now here in the subscreen, click on the order number. Again, you will see all the sale order pending for this particular customer. So select sale order 001, accept the screen, accept again. Again, you will notice that all the information from the sale order is auto captured here in the sales voucher. Let us say now you are not able to deliver the three numbers that order has been committed for. Let's say you are delivering only two numbers. Again, we are going to come down here and change the quantity to two numbers, accept this Control A, and rest of the item you are delivering as per the order and just press Control A. Now let us view the pending sales order. This time let us use go to. Click on go to and just type sales order and select sales order due only. And again, you will see out of three numbers of the first item, two is already delivered and one is pending. You can switch between sale order outstanding and purchase order outstanding. All you have to do is on the right hand side button bar, click purchase orders, which is F5. When you click here, you will now see the purchase order. You can view both purchase order outstanding and sale order outstanding in this single report. How do we view that? Press F12 configure and select this option, show outstanding sale order. Set it to yes and save it Control A. And now you will see the sale order outstanding and purchase order outstanding also. In the next video, we shall explore another use case scenario for a mid-size organization managing the purchase cycle. I hope you would have understood the relevance of order management, and also we saw the simplest form of order management where we saw the pending orders of purchase related and also sales commitment. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.